Hey, how's it going? This is the video walk around tour and startup of the 2011 Chevrolet G1500 all-wheel drive van. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up first so you can listen to it. Starts up good, purrs like a kitten. I'm gonna hop out, show you the exterior. Great van to add to your business. It's got the backup camera as well. We'll show you inside, why not? Look at what we got in here. We got some shelves and stuff. Perfect. And yeah, we've had this through our service shop, so everything's looking good mechanically. Detailed it to perfection. And I'm going to show you the interior here. Don't want to make sure I miss anything. We got the cloth seats, semi bulkhead here. You got your little storage right there, passenger seat, and you got some hookups here for USB and whatnot. Tow haul and backup camera. I saw the backup camera. Oh, I see. It's hooked up. It's hooked up there. Well, we'll show you that when you come to pick it up. But if you want more information or want to reach out, you can go on our website, pinetreemotors.com, and shoot us over a message, email or phone, and we'll get back to you. And we've got a bunch of other trucks, SUVs, utility vehicles, things like that. So be sure to check us out, pinetreemotors.com, and I look forward to hearing from y'all. All right, bye-bye.